Here I have Nissan Ariya NiSmo, and let me show you how to calibrate tire pressure on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind your steering wheel. You need to navigate here by using the arrow buttons on your steering wheel. Let's highlight here settings. If you highlight settings, let's press OK button to enter it. Then scroll down a few times until you see the tire pressures. Here I have tire pressures. Then you've got information about your target pressures, your pressure unit, etc. But the most useful function here is the last one, calibrate. So when to use it, you should select calibrate after you have physically pumped up your tires or changed them. For example, from winter to summer tires. What it does, it relearns the sensor and confirms that the current physical pressure matches the target numbers you set above. Let me calibrate it. So confirm reset, let me tap yes. And okay, tire pressure are calibrating. So while you will be driving, the car will show you the exact number of your tire pressure. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.